Welcome to this short Teaching with Chatta video. I'm going to show you how to prepare an activity using a resource from the Chatta community. I'm going to use an early years board from the Chatta community based on a traditional tale, but I'll be showing you how you can search and how you can find any of the templates if you choose to use them. So I'm just opening my folder. I'm clicking create a chat and I'm choosing community in the center. You can search any of the folders that are in there, or you can use the search bar and you might search by topic, by subject, by outcome, by genre. I know what I'm searching for, which is Jack and the Beanstalk. So I'm typing in Jack and the Beanstalk. There are two there to choose from. And I've clicked it to open it. This is a template, so to use the template, I click Use the Template and Create Chat, and the board now is ready to use. You'll notice that on the board already, there's a recorded voice. This is really to show you how you can abridge a resource through Chatta, and also the picture cues show you how you can build anything step by step, adding a picture for each step. So you can play these.
There once was a boy called Jack.
But I'm going to delete them and show you how to make the board ready to use. So I'm deleting the sounds already there. And I'm going to slide the pictures from view, partially off the screen, so that when I introduce them with the children, it's like turning the pages of a book, one section of the story at a time. And then it's ready to use. And as you're building the board with the class, simply tell the story. Adjust it and abridge it to suit the language and level that matches your children. I'm going to begin. Once upon a time, there was a boy called Jack. One day, he climbed a beanstalk. At the top, he saw a beautiful castle. Inside the castle was an angry giant. Jack stole the giant's gold. In the end, he chopped the beanstalk down. And presenting that to your class gives you the perfect opportunity to record your story sentence by sentence and play back, and then engage the class with activities where they will speak. They might finish your sentences, they might tell it to each other in pairs, sentence by sentence, taking turns. They might record on the board, and the images are really providing structure and simple cues. So that's how you can find and use a resource from the Chatta community. If you have any questions or would like to see anything else on these short videos, then please do either comment or get in touch. Thank you for watching.